How to find your Discord ID. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can find your Discord ID. Your Discord ID is an 18-digit number that's tied to your account. Every Discord user, every message, and every server has a unique Discord ID. It is a string of numbers that is unique to your Discord account, and it can be used to ping you and may be used in forms so that whoever is receiving the form can make sure they're getting the correct amount. Now, in order to find it, you want to open up any web browser, then type discord.com. You can also open the Discord app itself on your PC or laptop. Once you have opened it, you want to log into your account using all of your credentials. After being logged in, you want to click on the gear icon. This is going to open up your settings. On the settings, select the My Account tab. Here, right beside your username, you will find three dots. Click on this dot. Now click on the option of Copy User ID. Once you copy it, you can paste it, and this is your Discord ID. And in this way, you can very easily find your Discord ID. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.